I want videos to be produced while I am partying in London.
Yeah.
That's how I
Sounds
wanted
good.
it to be, you know?
Only
That's it.
partying.
I was
Let's
like, okay,
go.
I'm gonna pay a little bit, get this guy to make it, and he made like we agreed on 50 videos during this
For how
week
much?
that
We
I'm
can't
away.
share yet, right?
I'm not gonna say.
Okay. That's good. But 50, that's good. That's a decent amount you invested then as a trial.
Yeah, it's a decent amount I invested into a trial. Yeah,
Like
so
a 2000?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Good stuff. You need to take the risk sometimes, you know? Like at
Yeah.
same like I paid my freelancer that one video $80 for the high quality.
Oof.
So that's a lot. But I'm also like thinking like, what if you upload 8 high quality videos about Shopify or something else with an affiliate, and those 8 videos will get the same views as 100 shitty tutorials? Like it's possible. Like one Matix Media video has like even 3 times, no, way more, like 10 times the amount of views than all my Shopify videos combined. So you really look like shit, man. What did you do yesterday? You look so tired.
Let's go.
Let's go. Take some chocolate.
But that's a good idea.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah.
good
But the
idea.
thing is, I don't think you'll be able to like really go viral if you outsource everything and if you don't pay attention yourself.
It's not about going viral. It's about outranking. It's about
Yeah,
outcompeting
but
the other
you
guys.
won't outrank if your quality is shit. So you need to script probably everything. You need to have a really good tutorial, like without like any bullshit fluff. You need
Just
to have some.
make an experiment.
Yeah, yeah. I'm doing it with the guy. So I just purchased for $80 that video, and it's now being edited. So that's my experiment.
Okay, so you're gonna do like banger vids.
Yeah, but I'm trying. Like if I make one video, it probably won't matter. But if you're like maybe uploading 10 or 20 videos in the same niche around on one channel, maybe then it works. But
I think
yeah,
I think you need to really see it in the long term, because like let's say you make 8 vids now. I mean, this is a story of our life, right? And then it didn't work, you know, and then 90 days go by, and then your video starts ranking randomly.
yeah, yeah. But
What are you gonna do then?
make more. No, but the thing is, I think maybe also what Lucas said in our coaching call with his SEO background, if you have a specific channel focused on one niche, let's say the channel Shopify Success, who has only like Shopify videos, maybe 20 or 30 videos.
Topical
Like then,
authority.
yes, exactly. So I think it makes sense to do those high quality videos. If you stick to one topic, then YouTube knows like, oh yeah, Shopify, we need to show this channel. But if I would upload it to my main channels, it's like all random. But
I have
yeah,
an idea. Make a separate channel only for Shopify. Just make every video is about Shopify, and you make them to the best of your ability ever, like possible. They're very expensive, they're very high quality, and they're actually like made with the intention of serving the user. And that channel is the authority when it comes to Shopify. And then you just plug, and then you just every video is like that.